Boom, 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 bang, bing. It's your boy Jamaican J, and today we're gonna be checking out Beyond Two Souls. Yeah, man. This game is about a girl with some superpower and trying to find herself or something like that, man. I'm trying to figure it out myself. I never played this game before. I tried to see what the graphics was like. But it was good, so I just stopped it there. 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers. If you're a first time viewer, welcome. Do remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. It is much appreciated. Yeah, I know I haven't done any videos in a while, man, but I have a job, you know what I'm saying? So I have to work. YouTube ain't paying me right now, so I gotta go to work. Word. So I'm trying to fit in back with this video, do some more videos and stuff. Word. Yeah, man, so let's check this game out. Yeah, so let's start. Yeah, new. Yeah, man, big up to all my subscribers.
I was born with a strange gift. The ability to see what no human being has ever seen before.
Okay.
It's all mixed up in my head. The images, the sounds.
I like the graphics on this game. The graphics is ridiculous.
I need to remember.
In a good way.
Remember who I am. If I had to say how it all began, I might just as well start here.
Okay, how did it begin?
I found you by the side of the road, in the middle of nowhere. Was there an accident?
And I ain't telling you shit.
Did someone try to hurt you? How about a name? Someone I could contact? You must have family.
You want name and number?
Friends? Someone who could tell me who you are.
Hey.
You don't talk much, do you? Well, if you don't help me, I can't help you. Oh, I get nowhere. Is that a scar?
No, it's a birthmark.
Is that recent?
We've got to stop them. They have no idea what they're up against. Tell them to wait until I get there. Just get back to them immediately, you hear me? You've got to stop them. Goddamn fools.
I know. They're coming.
Hold on, what's going on?
Girl, you brought it earlier. Where is she?
Sure, it's a lot of cops. Yo, Sweaty. Yo, they're sending Sweaty to go open the door. Look at his armpits. Yo, man, antiperspirant, bro. Look how he's sweating. I must find Spider-Man. Oh shit. Damn, she fucked up the whole place.
Jody, what have you done?
Yo, that guy William, what's his name? William Defoe or whatever. That's a good actor right there. Word up. I'm telling you, man, the graphics on this game is tough. Look how colorful that looks.
Ah, there you are. How you doing today, Jody? Good? I hate to bother you when you're playing and all, but
So why you doing it, man?
it's time, honey.
All right, little Jody, let's go. Which one? This?
Come on, girl, you'll have plenty of time to play later.
Man, I want to play it now. I want to watch cartoons, man. Man, my favorite cartoon going on, man.
All right, Nathan's waiting for us.
Okay.
Oh, come on. I don't have any more change. Seriously?
Hi, Cole.
Hey, Alan.
Yo, what up, bro?
Ready.
Was due 2 weeks ago.
Hello, precious. Don't you look pretty today?
Yeah, and you look like you need coffee. You know what I'm saying? Drink some coffee.
Here we are.
It's gonna rain this weekend. We got a lot of rain this year.
Mopping the hell out of that floor. Hold up, let me watch this guy mop the floor.
No, it hasn't.
He's doing a good job.
Come on, Jody.
Damn, don't rush me, man. Hey, what up, Rent-A-Cop?
Babysitting detail.
Hey, Jody. How's your day been so far?
Pretty good.
Okay, we're gonna put this on now. Remember? It's just like a crown.
Just like a crown.
Yeah. Oh, now you're a little princess.
Don't worry. Everything's gonna be fine. I'm right next door if you need me, okay?
Alrighty. What the hell y'all want me to do?
Okay, let's start. Kathleen is next door, and she has the same cards as you. And we're gonna get her to choose one and see if you can tell us which one she chose. You think you can do that?
I was gonna shrug. That's all I'm gonna do is just shrug.
Good. All right, let's go for it. First card.
Okay, press Y. Superman. All right, let me see. Go over here. Oh, this is where they at. Where's Kathleen at? Oh, there she is. A star. She got a star.
Next card.
I see they got a shit on my head. Trying to measure my brain waves. All right, let me see. What she got? Kathleen, what the hell you got? Box. Box.
Next card.
Next card. Alright, let's see. Chinese noodles. Okay, Chinese noodles, man.
Very good, Jody. Let's try something else. There's some building blocks on the table in the other room. You think you can make them fall over?
Okay, these building blocks y'all talking about. Hold LD. Oh, yeah, I could do that.
Good, Jody. Anything else in the room you can move?
I want to move this lady. That's what I want to move. Okay, let me try on this. You want me to move? What else you want me to do? This? You want me to move that too? What else you want me to move? That's her, I think that's her pocketbook. Break this place down.
That's it. I'm sorry, but I'm done.
Okay,
You
Jody,
ain't
honey,
done. I
please,
ain't done.
10 minutes over.
I ain't done. I ain't done. I ain't done. I ain't done.
No, Kathleen,
I
it's
ain't
not
done.
locked.
I ain't
Probably
done.
just stuck. Give us a moment.
I ain't done.
Calm down, Kathleen.
Go get the door.
Yo, she need a Xanax.
You have to stop now, Jody.
Jody,
Test is over. You need
it
to
ain't
stop.
over. It ain't. It ain't over. It ain't over. Fuck that place up. You crying? Why the fuck you crying?
Jody. It's over, Jody. It's over.
It ain't over till the fat lady sing.
It will never be over.
Never. Yo, give her a Xanax, man. So she could chill out. Let me see. What's going on here? The experiment. You. 66% stopped the experiment, 75% left Kathleen alone. I didn't mess with Kathleen, man. I didn't want to hurt her. The embassy. Yo, what am I doing here? Yo, what is going on here, man? Alright, man. The dress.
This dress sucks. Maybe I should have worn something else.
Dress is perfect. You look great.
What do I do if something goes wrong?
There won't be anything you can do.
That's what I suspected. Just checking.
But the most important thing, act natural. If anyone speaks to you, you just smile.
So do you want me to act natural, or do you want me to smile?
I didn't know you had a sense of humor.
Only when I'm scared to death.
Ryan, I'm delighted you could attend.
Always a pleasure, Sheikh Ahmed. I would like you to meet my assistant, Elizabeth.
I was unaware that American diplomacy was undertaken with such disarming charm. The pleasure is mine, Elizabeth.
Gentlemen, I give you back your host. We'll talk later, Ahmed.
Until then, Ryan.
He hates me.
Yeah?
The time he was imagining my head on a stick.
He will put it
You charming.
on a stick.
I should be flattered.
Yeah, I'm gonna shake some hands, blend in, find somewhere quiet. You know what you have to do.
Don't fuck,
Ambassador.
fuck with them sheiks. Alright,
I need to find a quiet place.
quiet place, a quiet place. Bathroom.
I'm still into the Mustang, honestly. You act like you can't afford 3 Ferraris. It's not the money. I just remember how it used to feel when my dad drove me around. I want that back. Wind in my hair. 8 cylinders of American muscle. Yeah, I feel like you're Italian car. You're Italian with it. Try some.
No, why you walking past the bathroom? It's right there.
هناك في الشهر الماضي واشتريت كل شيء من المتاجر الكبيرة وفي النهاية لم يكن هناك مكان
I don't know what you're saying, girl.
فرجع جوزي مرة أخرى إلى هناك.
Yo, look at this toilet. Wow. Looks like it's made out of gold. Alright, what you want me to do?
Aiden, are you ready? There's a large painting in one of the rooms upstairs. Behind it is a safe. The documents we're looking for are inside. But there are guards and cameras, so you have to be careful. You got it?
Okay.
Hurry, Aiden. It hurts like hell when you're too far away.
Alright, I'm hurrying. Yo, the guy's standing at that door. Guy's standing at that door.
An office with a portrait of the Sheik. This is the place.
Hold on. But what's this though? I just saw something right here, didn't I? Nope.
There's gotta be a switch somewhere. To move the painting. Find it, Aiden.
A switch. Oh, that guy he heard it.
حسام اذهب والقي نظرة على مكتب السفير.
حاضر سأذهب حالا.
شيء غريب على الشاشة.
Shit. The camera was on. Oh, the guard's coming. Don't move anything or he'll sound the alarm.
أنا في المكتب. كل شيء في مكانه.
Gotta think. There must be another way.
Yo, so you pointed me over here anyway, so might as well go over here.
This is the place. Aiden, you know what to do. Crap. You gotta distract the guard first.
Coffee.
يا غبي.
Okay. Nobody will be able to monitor the main office now. We should be safe.
Yo, look at their eyes, yo. Damn. Alright, where am I going? Main office? Her eyes look fucked up. Oh, I'm going. What's this though? Oh, that's just paper. That's just paper. Okay, that's just bullshit. Oh, where's that? Where's oh here. Oh, there. I was wondering what the hell.
Now let's see if you can open the safe. Good job. Now we have to read the documents. Make it quick. I can't hold on much longer. Okay, now don't move.
Hold RB. Hold X. Hold RB. Hold B. Damn, man. I know. Yo, girl, you scaring the shit out of me with them fucking eyes. Nose bleeding.
هل من أحد هناك؟
Guards knocking.
الرجاء الخروج من هناك على الفور.
ولكن ماذا تفعل هنا؟
Mama, want you.
إنها مراهد السيدات. انصرف من هنا أيها المنحرف.
سأنصرف.
Sorry. I can't do anything to help you. Good luck.
Get up, girl. Nose bleeding, girl. Wash it off. Towel, wipe it off with a towel. Wash it off, man. Oh, here we go. We can wash it off. Graphics is real good, man. Real good. Alright, let's get the fuck out of here. Hey, I can't use the dryer. No. Damn, can't use the hand dryer. Towel, nothing. Alright, let's get the fuck up out of here.
Jody, all right?
Don't touch me! I want to go now.
Right. Yeah, we're leaving.
I mean, that guy probably suspects something, yo. He probably like, what the fuck is going on with her? I don't think he knows she got no superpower like that, though. Damn, that was crazy. This game is really gripping.
Listen, I'm not sure. Maybe I shouldn't go.
Jody, you've been begging me for weeks. You're not gonna back out now.
I don't know anybody there. They might all hate me, and stress is awful. Let's just go.
Just take a deep breath. There's no reason to panic. It's just a birthday party. I'm sure everybody will like you. You'll have fun, maybe meet some new friends. Go on. Oh, don't forget your present. It's a book of poetry by Poe. It's 50 years old and very rare. I'm sure she'll like it. Don't worry. It's gonna be all right. I'll pick you up at 5. Have fun.
Okay, hope we have some fun. That's it, 309. Oh, they ain't got no ring doorbell?
Hey, Jody, come in.
Hi.
Hey, Kirsten, you coming? I gotta go. Come in, Jody. Don't be shy.
Hey, Jody, right? Come on, we're in the living room. Some girls from my school and these dorky guys we could find. Oh, is that a present for me? Cool, thanks.
I'm off, darling. Look after your friends and don't do anything stupid, all right?
Sure, Mom, whatever you say. Oh, finally, she gets the hint.
Damn. That football game look real.
This is Jody. She's in Unit 4 with Mom.
Unit 4? The paranormal department? Ooh, what you do there? Bend spoons or speak to dead people? Stuff like that?
No.
Woo! Party time! I'll get the beer. Guys, do the shutters. Girls, do the candles. And Jody, you can take care of the music. Let's get crazy!
All right, music. You want me to take care of the music? Where's the music? Yo, what is this? The Purge? The fuck they locking down the... All right, where's this damn music, man? Let's see if I find it. Okay, it wouldn't be in the kitchen. Oh, I see it over there. Okay, what you want to hear, girl? Some pop? Let's play some pop up in here. That's pop? I ain't no damn pop. Disco, man. Michael Jackson. Alright, that's it. Get up. That's what we're gonna play.
What kind of garbage is that?
What?
Slide over. We'll put on something from this century.
Garbage.
Really popping.
Okay, that sound alright. I'll go with that too. I don't know them station, girl. Damn, you're so rude.
Hid it under my bed for a week.
Okay, let's see this football game going on here. That's the Saints.
She don't come to my room anymore. She's totally oblivious.
Kirsten, you're a genius.
Jody, you want one?
No, we don't drink beer. We do not drink. No, I don't drink.
No, thanks. I don't drink, so...
I'm a superhero.
Listen, girl, after 3 or 4 beers, you'll see the world in a whole new light.
In a slutty light. Alright, you know what? Let me go have a seat because I ain't that bullshit with y'all. Let me go have a seat over here. No hanky panky going on here. This is Virgin Mary right here. I don't know what the fuck you come over here for. The fuck you want, man?
Hi, I'm Matt. Jody, right?
That's what the fuck I said, yep.
I've never seen you at school before. You don't take classes on bass?
Yo, man.
I'm in a different program with my own teacher.
Fuck out of here, man.
Right. Because I sure do remember if I'd seen you around before. So, you work with Kirsten's mother?
I'm reserved, man.
I've never met Kirsten before. Her mom works in my unit, and that's why I was invited.
I used to live in London before I moved here 2 years ago. And you? Where did you live before?
Man, you ain't gonna get no truth. I just meet you. I ain't gonna tell you shit about me, man.
New York?
Yeah, New York.
Man, I love New York. It's awesome. I went there once and it blew me away. Do you have any hobbies? Anything you do for, like, fun? I surf any chance I get, and I play in a band with a bunch of friends.
Wow, wow, very wow.
What are you into?
I'm into smoking weed, man.
Nothing special. I read a lot. Boring. I guess.
Can I ask you something?
What the fuck?
Why are you in Unit 4?
Man, you're asking too much question, bro.
Sorry, damn, I'm so stupid. I hope I haven't, like, upset you or anything.
No, that's okay.
Slow dance. Are you up for it?
Hell fuck no. Get the fuck out of here, bro.
I don't really know how.
That's all right. I don't really know how to either, so...
Yo, man, why the fuck I gotta dance with this corny ass motherfucker? Jody, man, step on his damn foot or something. Yeah, there you go. Step on his damn foot. Did he step on her foot? I don't know what happened there.
You know, I'm sure you hear this all the time, but you're really pretty, you know.
She knows she pretty, man. She don't need you to tell her, get the fuck out of here, social distance.
You're not like other girls. I mean, there's something special about you.
Ain't nothing special about me, man. Distant yourself, motherfucker.
You don't really know me.
What? Hell fuck no. Get the fuck out of here, bro. Get the fuck off of me too. Fuck out of here.
Thanks for the dance, Matt, but I think I'll pass.
Jerk. This ain't no prostitution going on over here. Fuck out of here.
Guys, why doesn't Jody give us a demonstration of her super mega powers?
Great idea. I'd pay to see that.
I ain't got no fucking power.
Yeah, come on, Jody. Show us what you can do.
Okay, Jody, you up for demonstration?
I got no fucking power. Fuck out of here.
No. I don't have powers.
I told you so, guys. It's all bullshit.
Right, okay, guys. It's time to eat that delicious cake, and most important, to open my birthday gifts.
These are some assholes.
Actually, the cake can wait. I'm opening my gifts first. Love, Jen, XXX. Oh, that's nice, Jen. I bet it's knee socks. A thong, just exactly what I needed.
Thong, 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 thong.
And improve your chances of finding a decent boyfriend.
My future lover wants to thank you for making his life more interesting.
What is that?
It's a fucking book.
It smells funky.
It's a really rare collection. Poems by Edgar Allan Poe.
Edgar Allan who?
What, did you steal this from your grandpa's library?
No, and it's really rare.
Fucking doofus.
Yeah, just like your dress.
No, seriously, is this a joke? I can't believe you came all the way to my birthday party just to give me this old crap.
Oh,
And she
shit.
thinks she's so clever. But she's just a little lab rat.
A freaky little lab rat.
Yeah. She's been following me around like a puppy all evening, begging for it.
Oh.
No, she didn't.
And she's a slut, too. I never wanted to invite her. My mom made me.
Yeah, she's a slut. A slut and a witch. We should, like, do something to her.
What do you do with witches? You burn them.
Ah! Get her!
Yo, what the fuck is going on here, man?
Please! Stop!
Oh, Mr.
Prince of the obscure darkness, bring forth your mighty power.
Fucking jerks.
Please let me
She wants you
out!
from the first moment I saw her.
I'm begging you, please let me out!
Let me fuck out of here.
Did someone say cake?
Please, I want to get out! Please, I want to
hungry.
get out! I'm begging
Let's
you,
get this party
please let me
started.
out!
Damn, Jody. Of course, he ain't give up no ass. They want to fuck you up. All right.
Get me out of here. Please.
Get out of there, Jody. You know what? I ain't gonna take no revenge. I'm just gonna leave them. I don't want to bring no attention to myself. With my superpowers. With great power come great responsibility. Yeah, I could burn this motherfucking house down if I wanted to. The party, let's see. 66% didn't get drunk. 43%, only 43% pushed him away. Y'all are some sluts. Left the house early. 24%. And 63% hid power. So I missed certain things I missed. Uncovered. So I gotta look for more stuff. I'm missing some stuff. I missed 2 stuff right there. So maybe I need to look around more. That guy say she's a slut. It's a good thing she ain't kiss him or do what he wanted her to do. Alright, let's see what's up with this.
It's your fault we're in trouble, so cut it out.
He's replacing Dr. Matthews. He's the one who's going to be taking care of me from now on. He seems really nice. Go on, he wants to meet you. Go on, hurry up. I'll be right here, sweetheart.
Hello, Jody. Come in. My name is Nathan. Nathan Dawkins.
No, it ain't.
I thought it would be a good idea for us to have
It's
a little
William
chat, get
Dafoe.
to know each other a little better. That is, if it's okay with you, of course.
Don't give me that ugly grin, bro. What's this? Shake it up.
You like it? You can have it if you want.
Nah, man. Mama say not to take shit from strangers. Put that shit back down, girl. Don't take shit from strangers. Alright. Sit down.
Jody, my job is to study strange events and then try to explain them. Like the things that happen around you, right, Jody?
Say nothing, shrug. Say nothing.
Your mother tells me you have an invisible friend. I can understand if you don't want to talk about it. But if you did, I could help you figure it out. This friend, has he been with you a long time? Since you were born? Is he a ghost? Or a spirit of someone who passed away?
We'll call Ghostbuster then. Alright, let me see. Shrug him.
Can you draw him for me?
Want me to draw him? Alright, I'll draw him. That must be his wife and his daughter right there. On their own. Alright, let me see. Gotta turn what? Sideways? A.
Mind if I take a look?
She don't give a fuck.
So, this thing is your friend, and he's connected to you with some kind of cord.
Umbilical cord, yep.
You see it right now?
Yep, sure is.
Can you tell him to do something?
Sure can. Fuck your computer up, bro. That old IBM shit you got.
You tell him what to do, and it happens.
I don't tell Aiden what to do. No one does. He's like a lion in a cage. We're tied together. He can't go away. That makes him really angry. It's not my fault. I want him to leave too. It can be really scary sometimes.
Did he do that to you?
No. That was the monsters.
Fucking monsters, man. Let me see the percents on this. Drew Aiden. Showed Aiden's power. Okay. Experiment. Embassy. Broken. Prologue. Central Intelligence Agency, aka the CIA.
It's your room. This is where you'll study and sleep for the next 3 years. Your training starts tomorrow at 5 a.m.
Shit is jumping all over the place. Now, what am I doing here? The CIA. Uh-oh. See if I could do this. Hey.
Come on, Holmes, keep up!
I'm trying to, man. Yo, I did push down, man. What the hell? Damn, girl, are you okay? I know she got fucked up.
Find your grip! Use your momentum to swing across! Hurry!
Yo, what is she doing here anyway?
That's it, Holmes! Come on! I haven't got all day!
Uh-oh. Taekwondo. Okay. All right. Oh shit. All right. Come on, get up, girl. Get up. Get up. Take that. And that. And that. Oh shit. Get up, girl. Oh shit. I can't do shit. All right, get up, girl. We don't give up. We don't give up. We don't give up.
Start again.
We're gonna get them this time, girl. Man, that was so fast. That ain't fair. All right. I got you, guy. I got you. I got you.
Let's start again.
I got you, though. Why I keep pushing that fucking button, man?
Let's start again.
Oh boy.
No, no, no! Concentrate for God's sake!
I finally got it. And take that.
Take cover. Aim. Shoot.
Oh shit.
Advance to the next cover. Got it?
I got it. Get the fuck out of the way.
Come on! Get out of there! Fire! Come on! Cover! Get back behind cover!
Oh, they're trying to.
Good.
There we go. I wonder why she's training for the CIA now. What are we doing here? Right. Down. Your number. It's like.
Excellent, Jody.
Okay, recruit. Now get rid of those oil drums.
Get rid of these. Fuck
Good.
those drums up.
Let's keep going.
Push it to the limit. This big fucking guy. That was too late? Alright. I'm gonna fuck you up, bro. I swear I'm gonna fuck you up. Fuck out of here. Fuck out of here, bro. Fuck out of here. Fuck out of here. Don't try that shit.
Faster! Keep your fat ass down!
What fat ass?
Keep up!
Go, girl. What the fuck going on there? Up, man.
Move it, recruit! It's not a fucking Sunday stroll!
All right, man. Oh shit, you're doing the Van Damme? Oh, don't hurt it. Hold up, what I gotta do? Oh shit, that should heal that. Instant heal. She a real superhero, yo. Yo, what now, man? What the fuck? Don't try that. Don't try that. Don't try that. Back the fuck up. Back up, dude. Back up. Oh shit, she got me. You got me, yo.
Take a knee, compose yourself, and go again.
Man, I ain't got no more energy. Instructor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of them, right? Aiden. So the name of the super the spirit is Aiden. You know what I'm saying? Uh-oh. We got company. I know I seen one upstairs. No, 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 no.
Not bad, Jody.
King of the hill.
If this wasn't an exercise, you'd be dead by now.
And fuck you.
If this wasn't an exercise, you wouldn't even be able to open your big mouth, Ryan.
See? The gun in behind you, bro. Rifle in your back.
Congratulations, Operative Holmes. You made it. Welcome to the agency.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Jody. Welcome to the agency.
Looks like you made it.
Hey, I don't like how he just said that, man. I don't trust that fucking guy. Welcome to the CIA. Achievement unlocked. Achievement unlocked. Yeah, man, but this is where we're going to leave the video. Thanks for watching, man. Do remember to tune in for the next episode, which will be coming very soon, right behind this one. 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers. First, if you're a first-time viewer, do remember to like, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell. It is much appreciated. Sorry I took so long to make another video, but man, I have a job, man. I got to pay the bills, man. YouTube ain't paying my bills right now, so, you know, I got to do what I got to do, but I loved making these videos. But anyway, thanks for watching. God bless. 1.